The 2020 Kia Sorento lands in the top half of our competitive midsize SUV rankings. It has a relaxed ride, spacious seating in its first two rows, and a long warranty, but it provides less cargo space than most rivals. Pros and cons: adult-friendly seating in the first two rows. Premium cabin with straightforward infotainment tech. Below average base price for the class. Comfortable ride. Not as engaging to drive as some rivals. Small cargo area compared to classmates. New for 2020 S trim added. SX Limited trim discontinued. X Sport trim renamed as the X. Rankings and awards: the 2020 Kia Sorento's number 5 ranking is based on its score within the midsize SUVs category. It was the winner of our 2020 Best 3-Row SUV for the Money Award. Currently the Kia Sorento has a score of 8.1 out of 10, which is based on our evaluation of 40 pieces of research and data elements using various sources. Is the Kia Sorento a good SUV? Yes, the Kia Sorento is a good midsize SUV. It has a spacious interior with room for 7, lots of user-friendly tech features, and high-end cabin materials that belie its low starting price. The Sorento also returns good fuel economy with its standard 4-cylinder engine, and it rates well for safety and predicted reliability. For its mix of quality and value, we named the Sorento our 2020 Best 3-Row SUV for the Money. Should I buy the Kia Sorento? You should definitely consider the 2020 Sorento if you want a comfortable and well-equipped 3-row SUV but can't rationalize spending $30,000 to $40,000 for one. The Sorento starts at just $26,690, making it one of the least expensive ways to transport up to 7 people. That said, if you can afford to spend a bit more, there are a few vehicles that may better suit your needs, including the higher-ranking Hyundai Palisade and Kia Telluride. Should I buy a new or used Kia Sorento? We recommend the 2019 Sorento. It's fairly similar to the 2020 model and likely less expensive. The 2020 Sorento is part of a generation that debuted for 2016, and several changes have been made since then.